Well, it is still Atlantic hurricane season, let us not forget, and there's a reminder in the Atlantic right now. We actually have a brand new named storm in the Atlantic, Tropical Storm Sebastian. Now the good news is this is not going to come anywhere near land, and it looks like it is going to weaken, but that's just a reminder that here we are in November and you can still have late season storms. In fact, they're not all of that rare. If we look at the records since around 1950, there's been about 24 storms that have formed late season or out of season, roughly from November 19th through New Year's. So far this year, because of Sebastian, now we have 18 named storms so far in 2019 for the Atlantic hurricane season. The last time we had this many was actually back in 2012, so an active year for us. But luckily, again, that storm's not coming anywhere near us. If we get any rain anytime soon, it'll be coming from inland with some of those cold fronts that we usually get at this time of year. We actually do have one coming in tonight. Very, very weak though. Not going to do much for us. Right now, temperatures are sitting in the 40s. We've been pretty cool all day. Most of us have been in the 40s all day, and we're going to stay chilly tonight. Most of us dipping into the 30s. We do have, again, a frontal system coming through. You'll notice some rain trying to show up on the radar. Some of that not necessarily making it all the way to the ground just yet. We've got a pretty dry air mass in place, but if we look further to our west, there's more where that came from. Once this moisture really comes over the mountains, we could see a few showers, at least some sprinkles in certain spots. With this front coming through, too, temperatures will be cold enough tonight to allow for a little frozen precipitation. Not going to completely rule out some flurries or some freezing drizzle, but most stay dry tonight. Tomorrow the sun comes back out. A better chance of rain will be later in the week. This front here is going to impact us by Thursday night into Friday, and we could see some rain and even some snowflakes as we head into the weekend. We do actually get a brief warm-up out ahead of that system, but it's just that. It's going to be brief. So let's watch Futurecast a little bit more in detail. Tonight, again, temperatures in the 60s. Most of us dry with just a lot of clouds, but we are seeing some very spotty precipitation trying to show up, especially across Tazewell County there. Could see some flakes, again, maybe some freezing drizzle. But most of us stay dry. Tomorrow, the sun comes back out. Another cool day tomorrow in the 40s. But we get a lot warmer into Thursday, 50s and low 60s. Don't get used to it, though. We're going to have that brief day on Thursday where it's going to feel like early fall again, and then more of a wintry type air mass comes in into the weekend. We'll see some rain with this frontal system on Friday, another round of rain into Saturday, and we could see a little bit of snow on the backside of that system into Sunday. Right now, though, does not look impressive, barely anything measurable. However, we are looking at next week. There's the potential for some rain and snow by Thanksgiving. So that's something we're going to have to watch. Now that is well far away, but that's something we're keeping in mind. Temperatures, again, will get pretty mild to the end of the week. As I said, though, you can't get used to it quite yet. Most of us end up back in the 40s next week. And again, as I've been saying, this is long term. Some rain and snow could be on the way for Thanksgiving. If you're traveling, you got to pay attention to the forecast.
Right, exactly. Download that WVVA weather app,
We're
right,
tracking
Catherine?
it all, yes.
You'll let us know. But like you said, we'll have that one day of nice weather, but then it gets cold
Then
again.
it gets kind of chilly again.
What can you do? All right, stay with us. Nick Dugan will join us